I'm not eating this.
A cupcake. Thank you, Mom.
Jake, I was very disappointed today. I went to work early. Dinner's in the fridge. Mom.
Wake up, sleepyhead.
Did you forget I specifically asked for a Snickers cake?
Well, yes, but it turned out to be very expensive.
I'm not eating this. Don't know what this is, but it's definitely not a birthday cake.
Just give it a try. I'm sure it will be delicious.
Okay, maybe the present will save my birthday. I think I know what it is. You're the best, Mom. It's gotta be a PlayStation 5. A PlayStation! 4? What? You know I asked for a PS5.
Honey, please.
All my friends have a PS5. Why can't you be like their parents and get me one?
Honey, this was very expensive. I've worked double shifts to get you this. It is not easy being a single mom.
Then get Dad back. I didn't choose to live in a family like this.
Jake.
Leave!
Jake Waldman, don't you dare talk to your mother like that.
You know what? Okay, I'll take this old crap and throw it in the trash.
Don't you dare.
You can't tell me what to do. It's mine.
Jake Waldman, get back here.
Stupid Mom. Wouldn't get me a PS5. What am I supposed to say to my friends now? She made me look like a liar.
Look, sweetie, I couldn't get you a cake for your birthday. I know it sounds silly, but... Wow, a cupcake. Thank you, Mom. Stop it, Mom. It's the best gift in the whole world. Some kids have it much worse than I do. What matters most is that we have each other. I love you, darling. I love you too, Mom.
Mom! Look, I'm sorry, Mom. Mom?
Jake, I was very disappointed today. I went to work early. Dinner's in the fridge. Mom.
Jake?
Oh, you're back.
What's going on?
Look, Mom, I'm sorry. I know this sounds silly, but there are lots of kids who have it much worse than I do. I know how hard you've worked to get me a PlayStation, and I don't feel that I deserve it.
Honey.
So, I decided to sell it and get your money back.
Honey, everything I do for you is because I love you. So you really don't have to.
Who's that?
I don't know.
Dad!
Hey! Hey, darling. Hey, son. Looks like you guys are having a birthday party. I've been thinking a lot, and I've realized that I can't live without you both. I've been working hard on making myself better, and I was hoping, please give me a second chance.
Mom?
Okay.
Really?
You heard me.
Okay.
She said okay.
You said okay. Happy birthday.
Wow!
I'm sorry.
Thank you. RC car. Thanks, Dad. You know what? I don't think I deserve it.
What do you mean?
Gotta go.
Son.
Jake, where are you going?
I saw you through my window, and I thought maybe you'd like this for your birthday.
What? We can't accept it.
Please, ma'am, I just want you to have a nice birthday.
Thanks for the gift. I don't know what to say. Aren't your parents looking for you? It's late.
Well, it looks like we already found them. Would you like them to join us?
Would you like to come play with me? I've got a PlayStation 4.
A PlayStation 4? Mom, can we go?
We have plenty of cake. Please, come join us.
Well, I guess we can?
Yeah, Mom!
And so, Jake understood the important lesson that the most valuable thing in life is human connection. Because no matter how cool the new PlayStation 5 is, it isn't worth much if you don't have who to play or share your joy with.